Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Mark 46. This one has had some upgrades. We've put the standard Warhead motor. We go for the standard because it's not it's a relatively slowish motor, but obviously we've got to maintain longevity on these particular guns, and obviously there's a certain amount of chug to them, and obviously we think it's quite a good rate of fire to sort of maintain that about these guns. We've obviously put the EagleSix bearings in there, the EagleSix upgraded main spring. We've got the RHOP Psionic THOR hop rubber, so the AEP one that they do, and we've also put the Lilacs dovetail mount on there as well. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it on this particular one. Obviously, you know, at the moment they don't do, well, I mean, we do a piston and stuff, but obviously we're sort of generally only installing if somebody breaks the old one. We've also, there's no sort of gears available, so no cylinders, no air nozzles, so no tappet plates. So yeah, so we're pretty much sort of just sort of stuck to the what we've installed, obviously, which is thus far been focused in the products we've developed on needed things, you know. So like as and when we get to the point when people are somehow breaking their gears and through thousands and thousands of rounds, then obviously we'll cross the bridge of obviously developing, like I say, gears for it. But until then, like I say, that's our upgrade package for this. It's getting 293 on 2.8, which is obviously quite high up there. So for those, I'd recommend always on any NGRS, the heavier the ammo, the better, and you will be able to lift 3.2 if you want to. But we've done the testing on 2.8, and like I say, the FPS is 293, which is you know, it's up there, but fine. And we just want to demonstrate it working. There we go. So all out of ammo and ready to go out, and we hope you enjoy. But thank you very much.